Hey guys, I am Miccaella Mendoza, a student from Stanhope St. Patricia. Well, may I ask you a question? Do you know what are cell organelles? If you don't or if you're confused about it, just keep on watching. Cell organelles are a specialized structure inside a cell that perform a variety of functions. So, in order for you to comprehend it better, I've created a cell city analogy based on the school campus. Let me welcome you to Winzy High School. Winzy High School is a model like cell organelles, but first, let me explain why the similar to cell organelles. By the way, in my cell city analogy, I will only explain 13 cell organelles. First and foremost, as you can see in the middle at the bottom, is the school gate that protects those who are inside the school and also provide a harmonious environment, much like the cell membrane, which protects and organizes cells, provide a constant environment inside the cell, and perform a variety of functions. Second, as you can see here, the fence keep people in school so they can obtain the education they need, and it also prevents serious incidents with current school safety issues, such as cell wall, which protects the cell, protects it from physical damage, and provides a structure to the cell. Third is the office or the principal office, which is in charge of all the school duties such as the nucleus, which controls and regulates the activities of the cell and carries the genes. Fourth is the main office door that controls what can and cannot enter the office, just like the nuclear membrane does to support the nucleus. Fifth is Mr. Clark that contains all the school information, much like the nucleolus, which is made of RNA and proteins. Furthermore, it is a part of eukaryotic cell that provides ribosomal RNA. Sixth is Mr. Alexander, runs the school, operates, and also acts as a powerhouse organelles for getting things done that generate energy to the school, similar to mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Seventh is the teachers who build knowledge or teach students, similar to ribosomes that are protein builders. Eighth is the students who are responsible for every task that their teachers give in and out of the school, such as the proteins that are responsible for every task in cellular life, including the shape and the inner organization. Ninth is the school classroom, where the students go so that they can process their new knowledge, like the Golgi apparatus that tells proteins where to go and helps process and package proteins and lipids molecules. 10th is the janitress or cleaner, who is responsible for maintaining a clean facility by completing a variety of cleaning tasks, and they also get rid of unwanted substances in and out the school, like lysosomes, since it is the digestive system of the cell, and membrane-bound organelles with roles in the process involved in degrading and recycling cellular waste, cellular signal, and energy metabolism. 11 is the storage that contains harmful materials that should not be used all the time, so it is placed here, similar to vacuole, which separates things that might hurt or threaten the cell. 12. The card book that is full of books like chromosomes, which DNA is tightly packaged within the nucleus. In addition, it's also hard to ensure that DNA is replicated and distributed appropriately during cell division. Lastly, the trees, which the last that I will explain in my cell city analogy, since tree or plants made stable energy similar to chloroplast that converts light energy into relatively stable chemical energy near the photosynthesis process, and it's a plant cell organelles. Well, that's all. I hope you learned something and gained some knowledge about my cell city analogy. Thank you for watching. Bye!